Good evening, everybody. I am doing this on the fly. My dogs are upstairs in my room and they're like going after each other like crazy. And actually, they just came under here. So we got the new shades in today. I got a few new shades in today, and I just wanted to. I got something in my mouth. What the heck is that? I just wanted to show them to you because they're awesome, and yeah, they're really targeted towards light medium skin tone. A lot more stuff in the middle, which is great because we have more options, and we definitely want to have more options, and especially as we start to get color. So I love these. I just love these little bags. I don't know why. I don't even know what I'm going to do with them all, but I just love them. So anyway, if you're here, say hi to me. I don't know if I can see anything, but I'm going to go through and show you a couple of new shades. I still have something in my mouth though. It's driving me crazy. All right, so the first one, I should have brought my magnifying glass up, you guys. That's awful. I think the first one is, oh my God, isn't that awful? I can't even read it. I'm gonna say that this is Hazel. Okay, so yeah, Hazel is between Sandy and Mango. And Sandy and Mango, just for your reference, this is Mango, this is Sandy, and so that's kind of like right in between, which is a nice option to have. That's going to be a real popular one. I have a feeling that that's going to be a really popular one. We can put this on. We'll do a little bit of a, I don't know if it'll show up on my tan skin, but yeah, see, it's clearly too light for me, but for some people it's going to be the perfect shade. So that was Hazel, and then we're going to do, I know I should have brought my magnifying glass, you guys. I'm so freaking blind, it's not even funny. All right, this is, all right, I'm going to guess. I think this is the new, yeah, this is the new contour. Yeah, because that's a highlight. I'm just trying to get my shit together here, you guys, because I don't have it together. All right, so this is the new contour, and this is Cedar, which is going to be super great. I'm super excited about Cedar because it's between Astoria and Stone. And Astoria and Stone are super popular, especially Astoria on darker, if you have more tan. So like this is Astoria right here. So this is it against Astoria. And this is it against Stone. So it falls right in between. And this is going to be, I have a feeling I am going to use this a lot as a contour. So that's going to be a really good contour for me, I think. So if you tend to be a little bit on the darker side, which most people are, I mean, because we kind of go by the roots of your hair. So the roots of your hair are typically darker. I know mine are. So then we have, this is Palace. This is close to Versailles, which I actually do not have because Versailles is one of the lightest colors. It's almost like close to sunlit. This is Palace. It's more of a pink, and it goes with Versailles. So if you're super fair skinned, this is gonna be a great color for you. So we'll definitely match you up with that. And then finally, we have the Golden Hour. Golden Hour is gonna be another one, which I think I'm gonna be very interested in because Golden Hour is between Mango and Goddess. And I am a goddess. I am a goddess, I'm not a goddess. I still have something in my mouth. So yeah, so this is, oh wait, Goddess is on this one, Mango. So Goddess is here. So see how close that is to Goddess? But then it's also got a little bit with Mango, which is this one. So it's in between, but I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one too because I'm a goddess. Like I said, I'm a goddess. So yeah, I guess that's all there is to say about that. So those are the new shades, and I'm super excited. And if you are around on April April 7th. Why did I say April? It's July. It's my freaking birthday month, you guys. Why in the world would I even say April? I don't know why I do these things. If you are around on July 7th, that is our Customer Appreciation Day. And that is going to be full of discounts and prizes and games and all kinds of neat stuff. So you definitely want to check that out. And that's it. I just wanted to pop on real quick and do a crazy live showing you the new shades. Next time I will bring my magnifying glass because they put the writing on the back of these that is so damn small, you guys, that like, I don't care if you're 20/20, you could not read that. Anyway, I love you and I thank you for tuning in, and I will talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.